is our 23 wheel stick rake. It's got 4 different frames, beams I guess. Each frame or beam has got either 5 pinwheels or 8. So you can see this rear one has got 8 pinwheels and each one has an axle. So the whole idea is that you can actually convert your 23 wheel to an 18, to a 13, to an 8 wheel. So if this were an 8 wheeler, it'd be just this frame. So you can see that the caster forks are straight up and down. That's because they're going to have steering rams on them. Already, yep. Then you can see this is the pull chain for the 8 wheel part of the frame. When it's only an 8 wheel, then it's actually a so you can see where this second axle bolts on. This is a 5 wheeler now, so a 5-piece frame, and these 3 5-piece frames are completely identical. So you can see that the frame itself is straight through, and it doesn't look pretty because it's not painted. But you've got a swivel in there so that the wheels, when they follow the ground, it enables you to have better travel. So this is where the pull pole itself is attached, just to the second frame. And you can see the spreader bar here. You can actually, what's the word? I can't remember off the top of my head. But you can make it longer or shorter. So this is the piece that goes to the tractor. Hydraulics, which go to the individual, to the steering rams at the back, and then there's a cylinder. There is a ram on every single pinwheel as well, so that you can actually lift it out of the ground. You can see that the manifold is nice and tucked in. I mean, this stuff goes through so much timber. It's a bit difficult to it's a bit difficult to hide anything to protect it, but that's about the best place you can. And then you can see here the truck wheel fork as well. It's on an 18-inch caster to help it swivel around when you need to reverse it. So you can see it's a straight through beam. We've had previous models that have kind of had 2 beams welded together, but this is much simpler. You can see each axle there. So you can see the wheel forks on these front 3 axles are all castering, so they're laid back a bit so that they can swivel around. And they're the pinwheels, very robust, heavy as anything. You don't want to get you landed on your foot, that's for sure. And that's pretty much it. We've got a relatively new jump arm design. I think we've got 3 machines with this jump arm design. We've found that some people were accidentally reversing it when the pinwheels were in the ground, and it just made a mess of the jump arms. So if that happens now, the jump arms are a lot easier to straighten. So that's a bit of an intro. So if you want to convert your 23 wheeler to a 13 wheeler, or should I say 23 to a 18 to